Hi dears, how are you? Hope you are doing fine. In this video, we are going to start by a new unit in your book, which is about animals. As we see inside this picture, we have many animals around us. Let us together look at the objectives, then we will move to learn more about this lesson. Here we have to identify the basic needs of animals. You have to name some animals that are found inside your environment or they are found next to you, around us. Start first in your book, page 90. We have to observe this experiment. I need water, golden fish in a bowl, food for this fish. What should I do? Number one, I have to change the water and add food every day for this fish. Then I have to observe this fish inside the water in order to answer the following questions. It moves. Do you see this fish is moving inside the water? Yes or no? Yes. So I have to circle yes. It needs food. If I keep this fish without food for 2 or 3 days, what happens for this fish? It will die. So the fish, in order to remain alive, it needs food. I have to circle yes. It takes in water. Have you ever seen that the fish takes water inside? It takes in water. Yes or no? Can you see the bubbles here? Can you see these bubbles? Why? Because the fish takes in water. So what should I do? I have to circle yes. Part 3. I observe the picture. Why does the fish need these bubbles? Why? I said it takes in water in order to breathe. So what are these bubbles? Why does the fish need these bubbles? The fish needs these bubbles in order to get the oxygen it needs in order to breathe. Without this water, the fish cannot able to breathe. So, what do you conclude? What do the fish needs in order to stay alive? It needs the first thing, what I said, without food, the fish will die. So the fish needs food and it needs water. Can the fish live outside the water? No, because it has gills and not nose to breathe. You have nose, so you can breathe with your lungs, and this fish without nose, so it has gills to breathe. Let us see where are these gills found. Let us know now, what do all fish have? All fish have the following body parts. We will start first by the eye. All the fish have eyes in order to see. All the fish have mouth to eat. All the fish have gills to breathe. And all the fish have tail to swim. These are the 4 important parts of the fish: the eye, mouth, gill, and tail. And each part is used to allow this fish stay alive. The eye in order to see, the mouth in order to eat, gill in order to breathe, and tail in order to move. And as you see, the gills are located on the side of the fish head. It's not next to the mouth or next to the eye. It's found on the side of this fish head. Is used in order to breathe. Don't forget, the fish don't have nose. You have nose, but the fish have gills in order to breathe. Now we have to open our book page 90 in order to solve this exercise together. I have to draw an arrow to the part that helps the fish to move. As you know, which part of the fish is used in order to move? Can the fish move using its eyes or its mouth? The fish use the tail, excellent, to move. So the fish use the tail in order to move. Now take in food. What is the part that is used by the fish in order to allow the food enter its body? The food enters the fish body by its mouth. Excellent, guys. And take in water, which means allow this fish to breathe. So which part is used for breathing? Can you remember? Is it a mouth? Is it a nose? Or a gill? Excellent, the gill. So the fish use the gills in order to breathe. And as we said, the gills are located where? At the side of the head. Don't forget this point. It's very important. Good job. Let us move to page 9 now. All these are animals. These are not plants. These are animals. And these animals can be found around us. Can we name the animals that you see inside these pictures? The first one, what do we call these? These are oxes. Excellent. So the first one, ox. The next is the hen. Then I have the donkey. Then we have goat. Then rabbit. Then we have horse. And finally we have sheep. These are different animals that are found around us. Ox, hen, donkey, goat, rabbit, horse, sheep, birds, ants, butterfly. We have fish, we have dog, cat. All these animals can live around us. Have you seen any of these animals around? Where? Yes, I can see them. Maybe in my garden I can see hen or sheep or maybe goat, or these animals can be found in the farm. So what can I write? Yes, I can see them where? In the farm or in the garden. Now, this is very important. What do animals need to live and grow? Try to look at the pictures well. What do animals here doing in order to live? The horse is eating grass. The bird is eating meat. So, the animals, in order to live and grow, they need food. Excellent. Also, they need, mm, from the picture, what do animals need here? They need water. Excellent. We see some animals are drinking water. So sure, these animals need water in order to live. Can you get the answer from these two pictures? What do you conclude here? We have cat. This cat can live on the land, and the fish can live in the water. Both of them, these animals, they need, what do they need to live? They need air. Excellent. Without air, the animals cannot live. They cannot able to breathe. Till now, the animals need food, water, and air. Let us discover if the animals need more things. Finally, guys, what do animals need to live and grow? What can you conclude from these two pictures? We have a bird on a tree inside a nest, and we have penguins. So, what do animals need? Animals need water, food, air, and a place to live inside it. Example, this bird makes the nest to live inside it. Penguin make a hole. So the animals also need home to live inside it. But what can I say about a home for animals other than home? It could be shelter. So animals need water, food, air, and shelter. Shelter is a place where animals can live. All these things are very important for the animals. Without one of them, the animal cannot able to live and to grow. Now guys, we have to circle what the dog needs to grow. This is exercise in your book, page 93. You have to circle what the dog needs to grow. Dog is an animal, and we have already finished what do the animals need in order to grow. Animals need food, water, air, and shelter. Shelter is a place, is a home where this animal can live. I have a dog. Does this dog need meat to eat? Yes, so I have to circle meat. Does the dog need t-shirt? Can the dog wear a t-shirt, for example? No. But can the dog live inside this house? It needs this house to live inside it? Yes. So this is a shelter for this dog. Then, can the dog eat fruits? Without fruits, this animal can die? Or no? Sure, no. The animal or this dog can live without fruits. It needs only meat or milk or any kind of food that the dog can eat it. Then we have water. Do the dog needs water? Does this dog need water to grow? Sure, so I have to circle it. The last one, bicycle. I can see a dog riding a bicycle. Can you see that? Sure, no. The dog doesn't need bicycle to help it in order to grow. So, all the animals need water, food, air, and shelter. These, what do animals need in order to grow? They don't need t-shirt or toys, games, or some animals they don't need fruits to live. But other animals, for example, the cow, it needs grass, but it doesn't need meat to eat. According to the kind of this animal, we can say what do the animals need in order to eat. So don't forget, the animals need food, water, air, and shelter. These are, or this is a question which is found in your book, page 93, about the animals. Let us now solve the next exercise. The next exercise in the same page, page 93. You have to match each animal to its shelter. As I said, shelter is a place where animals can live. First, let us name the animals found here. We will start by lizard, duck, fish, squirrel, bird, and ant. These animals around us, I can see them. Now I have to match each one to its shelter. First, we will start by lizard. Where do you see lizard? Can you see it on the water? Or I can see it on the tree, on the walls. But here we have garden or forest. So we don't have walls, we have trees. Excellent. So lizard can live on the tree. Now duck can swim in the water, so it can live in the water. Fish, as we have said, the fish cannot able to live outside the water. The fish can live in the water. Squirrel on the trees. Excellent, guys. Bird, also as you see inside the picture, the bird is on a branch from this tree. So where do birds live? On the tree. The last animal, ant. Where do animals, or where do this animal, the ant, can live? Can it live in the water? Sure, no. I can see it maybe on the soil or in the soil and maybe on a tree, but mainly where? On the soil. Good job, guys. These are the animals and their shelter. Don't forget, shelter is a place where animals can live. Finally, guys, hope you understand all this information. You can name some animals around you, like a cow, sheep, goat, hen, fish, cat, bird, cow, or a duck, or dog. You can name many animals that are found around us. What do these animals need? Don't forget, they need food, water, air, and shelter. And what are the parts of the fish? The fish has eyes to see, mouth to eat, tail to swim, and gills to breathe. But you have nose to breathe. Excellent. But the fish has gills to breathe. Don't forget, the fish has gills to breathe. That's our lesson, guys. I hope you understand it. Now try to solve your worksheet. It's very similar to our lecture. And if you have any question, I will be ready to answer you. Thank you for watching this video. I miss you so much. Stay safe and goodbye.